How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can record with AMD Radeon software. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have updated your Radeon drivers to the latest version. And then you also want to make sure that you have installed the AMD Adrenaline Edition application. So just search it on Google, and then you want to click on the download software right here. Right after, right click on your desktop and then click on the AMD Radeon setting. From there, you want to make sure that the relive is enabled, which is going to be this one. And then you will be able to have access to a lot of setting, including global setting, recording, and more. So in here, you can navigate on where you want to save your videos, your hotkey for recording. So in our case, it's going to be something like Control Shift R in order to simply start recording. We could also do something like save instant replay, which is going to be Control Shift S. So with this one, you could set it something like 15 seconds. And after pressing this specific hotkey, it will then save the last 15 seconds of your gameplay or of your screen. So heading over to the recording option, there's going to be something like the recording profile. So with this one, it's going to be set on those higher resolution. The recording FPS is most likely going to be set to 60. Of course, you can edit everything out the way you want to. And you also have the max recording bitrate right here. Now, if you also want to do something like the instant replay for your recording, you could just make sure that the instant replay is enabled right here. And once again, basically with this one, you just want to set your timer. In this case, it's currently set at 20 minutes, which will then save the last 20 minutes of gameplay. So if you just want to get those instant replays, funny moments, best moments, or something similar, you just want to set it to around 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 15 seconds, depending on your style. And basically from there, once again, after setting up the hotkey, you should be good to go. Just press those hotkey, and that's going to be it. You can also access the recording function by heading over to the Radeon overlay, and from here, you can then click on the record button, and there you go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.